Take two.
Action.
If these were better quality, or better, they were younger, or whatever. It's limp.
Look, it's dying.
Heck yeah, here we go.
Alright, there it is. You see it? It's right there. Alright, let's take a close look at this. Hold on, let me back it up here. And that's what happened to the marshmallow bottle rocket. If only you could smell it.
And take a look.
No, don't you, because it's got plastic on it. It's toxic.
It's still eatable, look.